Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you the benefits of compass pose. It's an amazing stretch for your hips, your hamstrings and your shoulder flexibility. It really helps to strengthen and lengthen the stabilizing muscles of your spine, which help to maintain spinal mobility. It really helps to promote good posture and keeping you well balanced and in alignment. It can also help to prevent injuries and pain, particularly in the lower back. Remember to smile in your practice. Also, you guys, this is quite an advanced pose, so please don't be hard on yourself if you aren't there yet. Show yourself love, patience, and gratitude, and practice, and know that it all is coming. Remember to lengthen as much as possible whilst in compass pose. It also enhances the flexibility of your spine and hips. It's also really great for your digestive system, helping your body to detox. It also helps to stimulate the reproductive system as well, activating your sacral chakra, which is the second chakra just below your navel. And it's basically all about like your inner creativity. It can help to really unlock your creativity, and it's like all about pleasure and sensuality and sexuality as well. I really hope this video helps you guys and it heals you entirely, mind, body and soul. And please do not forget to take a moment to just breathe, you guys, and just be. The deeper the breath, the deeper the reality. Fully present and in the moment. Like, wake up and realize life is a dream and it can be as lucid as you want it to be. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoy practicing compass pose. And like I said, it's a very advanced pose, so please give yourself patience, gratitude, love. And I also have loads and loads of other free yoga, beginner friendly, advanced as well, so please check those out. I shall see you guys in my next upload. Wishing you nothing but peace, love and light from my heart to yours.